This is Nadi at Elliott Forex with your weekly overview for the British Pound US Dollar pair for the trading week ending Friday, 31st of October 2014. Last week was quite uneventful for cable as it continued moving in a sideways choppy manner, failing to reach either count's confirmation points. We are modifying the subdivisions within with 2 black, mainly because of the time relationships between those subdivisions to provide the best fit. It's worth noting that the modification does not change our short, mid or long-term view for cable. Also, the main count does not provide us with a valid trading opportunity. We are adding an alternate count which has lower probabilities, and the alternate count expects that with B-Flow is complete and that with B-Flow is starting to unfold toward the upside. As always, we will wait for either count's confirmation point to be reached to determine the highly probable count. On the main 6-hour chart, this count expects that wave C maroon is unfolding toward the downside, and within wave C maroon, wave 1 black is complete as a leading diagonal, labeled waves 1 through 5 blue, with wave 3 blue unfolding toward the downside as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C pink. Wave 4 blue unfolded toward the upside as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C pink, and to complete wave 1 black, wave 5 blue unfolded toward the downside as a double zigzag, labeled waves W, X, and Y pink. Following the completion of wave 1 black, this count expects that wave 2 black is unfolding toward the upside as a zigzag, labeled waves A, B, and C blue, with wave A blue complete as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 pink, and wave B blue is at its late stages. Wave B blue is unfolding as a flat correction, labeled waves A, B, and C pink, with waves A and B pink complete, with wave B pink unfolding as a zigzag, labeled A, B, and C green. It's expected that wave C pink is at its late stages as an impulse, labeled waves 1 through 5 green, with waves 1 through 4 green complete, and wave 5 green is unfolding toward the downside as an ending diagonal. Within that ending diagonal, waves 1 through 3 orange are complete, and wave 4 orange is unfolding toward the upside. Following the completion of wave 4 orange, this count expects wave 5 orange to unfold toward the downside to complete wave 5 green, and therefore wave C pink, and ultimately wave B blue. This count would be confirmed by movement below 1.5926, and we have a target for the completion of wave C pink at 1.5921. At that level, wave C pink will reach 1.382, the length of wave A pink. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.6009, as wave 4 orange may not exceed the end of wave 2 orange within an ending diagonal. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.5874, as wave B blue may not exceed more than 100% the length of wave A blue. If that upper invalidation point was met, we will move automatically to the alternate 6-hour chart, and the alternate 6-hour count expects that waves A and B blue are complete, and that wave C blue is at its early stages. Wave B blue unfolded as a flat correction, labeled waves A, B, and C pink, with wave C pink unfolding as an ending diagonal, labeled waves 1 through 5 green. This count would be initially confirmed by movement above 1.6039, and the final confirmation point is at 1.6183. We have a target for the completion of wave C blue at 1.6236, as at that level wave C blue will reach equality with wave A blue. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.7193, as wave 2 black may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave A black. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.5926, as within wave C blue, no second wave may retrace more than 100% the length of the first wave. So to wrap this up, this week's main count expects cable to unfold toward the downside to complete wave B blue before reversing directions and moving toward the upside within wave C blue in a motive manner, while the alternate count expects that wave B blue is already complete and that wave C blue is at its early stages. That's all for me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.